this is me recording the presentation now. Usually take a couple of the tips, so let's see. And I also need to check the time because it's supposed to be within 5 minutes. Hopefully I won't trip over my words and mumble or jumble. I think I'm gonna do it. Excuse me. Righty-ho. Okay, first of all, I like the way record meeting, accept, present. This presentation is on mastery, how it's beneficial and how it's used in the classroom. No, it's not. Bloody hell, mate. Bloody hell, mate. Bloody hell. Mastery. Are you alright, mate? You're a bit tired in that lot. Right, sir. Let's do this again. Stop being giddy, stop being giddy, stop being giddy, and focus on the work. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So this presentation is on the benefits of teaching for mastery and how I implement mastery in my classroom. Based on the premise that students will achieve a high level of understanding in a given domain if they are given enough time. That's ridiculous because first of all, this and this are different fonts. Okay, you are a different font and you are a different font. So let's make you guys the same and let's change this to higher because otherwise you are not going to make sense. And let's start this again. Blimey. Ding ding. Come on. Let's do this. Ding ding. Right, okay, let's do this. This is my name. Here we go. In this presentation, I'm going to talk to you about mastery, the benefits of teaching for mastery, and how I implement mastery in my classroom. I think it's very important to delete this slide because it's not supposed to be there. Thank you very much. Okie doke. Save the presentation again, and let's do this one more time. One more time. On the present, do it, do it, do it, do it, do. One more time, do it, do it, do it, do do. You need to present this, do it, do it, do it, do. One more time. Right, Muhammad, yeah, Muhammad. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you not in the presenting mode? Making the presentation, do the presentation. Doing presentation. Doing it now. Making the presentation, presenting the presentation, and do the presentation. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. Let us go. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. From current slide. This presentation is on mastery. The benefits are mastery learning. Although it says leaning on the presentation, so that is changing. Okay, shrink, that's right, shrink yourself. Get in there, mate. Get in, pal. Get in there. What are you looking at, you? Oi, mate. Oi, mate. Right, I've got a bloody presentation to submit and you faffing around and not wanting to fit into this PowerPoint. You gotta get in there, fam. You gotta get in there. Right, okay. So how do you implement mastery in your classroom? The way I implement mastery in my classroom is by using this model from a person who I forgot the name of. Right. Stupid. Stupid. Nincompoop, 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 poopy nincompoop. Principles of learning. What's her name? Oh gosh, I forgot her name. Flipping hell. Oh, you dimwit. Oh, you dimwit, what was her name? What was her name? Barak something, Barak. Shines. Rosen Shines. Principles of instruction. Rosen Shines, principles of instruction. Rosen Shines, principles. Rosen Shines, principles of instruction. Bada bing, bada boom. Rosen Shune. Yeah. Blah. So how do you implement mastery into your classroom? The way I implement mastery into my classroom is by following Rosenshine's principles of instruction, which are 10 principles that highlight how instruction should be given to students. Thank you very much for watching and taking the time to consider my application.